Hi guys, I'm gonna be making a save code through Scratch, so stick around with the whole video and you'll learn how to do it. You can just go to the end and look and see the code, but I'll be teaching you the whole thing if you stick around for the whole video. Please drop a like, it'll help me so much, and if you feel like it, also subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, So, sorry, you need to trash that. Just a minute. Let's see. Paint. Oops, sorry. It's supposed to be. I'll go to search, choose a sprite, button. I pick a button, so I like that. So I'm gonna bring it up into that corner. So, I want my thing. Actually, I want to surprise. I want 3 surprises. Surprise. Oops, yeah, and surprise. Costumes and surprise. Right, it's got 6, no, I want 5 in each. Surprise, and oops, ABA, whatever. Didn't work, surprise. Dang, oh wow, give me ABA too. It's my surprise. Alright. I'm gonna take 5. That's my surprise. Alright. I'm gonna do this to every single one, so hopefully it's good. Alright. I've done that to all of them. So now I'm gonna bring one over here, one right, and let's drag you over there, and this thing right there. So then I'm gonna make a variable called sprite1. This is gonna be sprite1. So you're gonna hide the variable. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the button, go into costumes. I'm gonna duplicate it, drag this into the other corner. So I want 1 gray, so this is gonna be the save. So text save. Oops, sorry. So first of all, I would recommend having it black because I just personally like that. So I'm gonna put in the text save. Now I want the button over here to be saved, so I'll put it over there. And this button over here, I'm gonna put in the text load. So we will move the load to the middle too. And then after that, so I'm gonna put sprite2. I'm just gonna put 1 right there. And sprite3. There. So now I'm just gonna, so I've got the sprite1 variable, rename variable, sprite2. And next, so I've got the sprite2 variable, and then I make a sprite3 variable. Make sure none of them are cloud. And then you make a variable called load. Hit OK. Make sure you can't see it. Next, you're gonna make a circular button. Sorry, an oval button. This one right here. I want orange. The orange button. Text random. So this isn't an actual game. I'm just doing this for a tutorial. So this is the randomize button. Just a minute, let me center this a little more. That's the random button. So you've got all that. Events, when flag, no, sorry. When this sprite clicked, broadcast new message. Randomize. I'm not sure I spelled that right, but whatever, I don't care. Randomize. So next I will, on this, when I receive randomize, looks, just a minute. Switch costume to, where's pick letter? Pick random 1 through 5. So I'm going to put that on all 3 of the sprites. And then on this, events when flag clicked, forever, set, where's the, set variable sprite 1 to, where's the costume number? There we are. Now I'm going to put that in all of them. Let's see, this one is going to be sprite 2 and this is going to be sprite 3. So after that, I will click random. See, it randomizes it. So now for what I was here to teach you. Alright. I'm gonna, so for the save button, sorry, let me think. So I'm gonna do, where's the combine? Set. Oh yes, I forgot. Make a save variable. Okay, hit okay. Save. Hide the save variable, just a minute. Save is gonna be right there. And then, so, set save to events when this sprite clicked. Set save to join sprite 1. You're gonna add another join block with another join block. Oops, sorry, no, not another. So sprite 2, sprite 3. So bam, randomize. So save. 235. There, so just a minute, let me full screen and then save. Random, save. And then you copy that down onto the comments. And then whenever you want to, you can scroll down and look at it, or you can copy it down onto something else. I don't know how I got it on the last one. I just figured it out, but I'm just gonna keep it this for now. You can figure out how to triple click and copy it. So I might make another video on that. So after that, we need to make the load. Events, when sprite clicked. Wait, oops. When flag clicked, set load and save to blank. So when the sprite clicked, set sprite 1 to ask what is your code. Set sprite 1 to letter 1 of answer. Where's answer? right up here. All right, so 1 to answer. Letter 2, sprite 2, and duplicate. That's going to be sprite 3 with the number 3. So now I randomize, save, 233. So, and then I want that back, 233. Wait, oops. Just, so, this is, and then, wait. So sprite 2 to costume number, but I also need to events. So in the load, sorry, I forgot about this. I'm gonna do broadcast. I'm just gonna put new message. I'm gonna say broadcast. Let's see what should it be called. I think it should be called load. All right, that'll be simple. Load and then sprite 1. When I receive load, set switch costume to sprite 1, and that's sprite 1. This will be sprite 2, and then you do that again. Sprite 3. I'm gonna save it, share it as save code. Alright, I'll just put save code. Alright, yeah, save code engine, whatever. So I'm gonna share it. See the project page. Alright. I am going to go to my projects. I've been working on this save code project. It takes forever, but so wait for it to load. I've been working on this project. This right here is Elemental Monsters game. It's got a really complicated save code, and I'm still working on more for it. So, thank you. Bye.